I have met some of my best friends here. My CPA, my financial advisor, my company now is focused around tiny and alternative living. And I don't think that I would have ever met any of these people otherwise, like because they're my tiny neighbors, I probably would have never met them. We're so completely different from one another. And it's been really eye-opening to see how different people from different backgrounds, different ways of being brought up and doing different things can mesh so well together. And that's been one of the most beneficial things to me, is to have a really solid core community.
Hello, my name is Maria. I'm the sales assistant here at Village Farm Tiny Home Community in Austin, Texas. Behind me, I have the Seabreeze model, one of the two that I'm actually going to be showing you for today.
Do you enjoy a fun puzzle-solving challenge?
Yeah!
Me too! That's why I love Cookie Jam, an adorable free Match 3 game for phones and tablets with no Wi-Fi needed. Swap, match, and crush your way through super cute dessert-themed levels. Simply match 3 to clear the board and solve puzzles. They keep it fresh and fun with over 11,000 unique levels, plus new challenges added every week. It definitely keeps me on my toes. I love the satisfaction of conquering tricky levels, but more than anything, I enjoy chillaxing after completing one of our weekly tiny house tours. In a world full of uncertainty, Cookie Jam offers a space where everything is sweet, simple, and solvable. Put your puzzle skills to the test and join over 100 million players today. Download Cookie Jam for free by clicking the link in the description or scanning the QR code on the screen.
Village Farm is a tiny home community that has been open since 2018. Village Farm is also an Agrihood community.
It's a community of about 100 houses maybe, and we surround an organic farm. It's actually the Bergstrom family farm, so it's like 100 plus years old.
Here at Village Farm Tiny Home Communities, we have a total of 11 homes left to close out the communities. We have 3 Sedonas left. We have 2 bungalows. We have 1 magnolia, 1 tumbleweed, and we have 3 Seabreeze models. And we are going to show you the Seabreeze model here in the community. So the Seabreeze model has 2 double doors, a front and back porch. The dimensions are 11 by 44. Let's go take a look inside. Hi, welcome to the Seabreeze model. This Seabreeze model is 399 square feet. So here in the living room, we do have a fireplace, and it actually throws out really warm air. It also has a lot of windows. Here in the middle of the house, we have the kitchen, and it does have a little mini dishwasher. This kitchen has a lot of counter space. And next to the refrigerator, we have a stackable washer and dryer.
What I love about this community is that it's very intentional, eco-friendly, intentional support of local agriculture, intentional of community. And I feel like most communities and other places don't have any of those things. I know so many people who don't know their next door neighbors and have lived there for years. People buy from the grocery store. They don't know where their meat comes from. They don't know where their produce comes from. I can literally wake up every Saturday morning and go to the farmer's market that is 100 feet away from me, buy my produce, buy my honey, buy my fruits, buy my veggies. And I know the farmer because the farmer lives 3 doors down from me. And sometimes I'll help weed the actual farm or go and help with our waterfowl that we have there. That's been a really big plus for me from the community outside of the people that live there, is that I'm able to live a more intentional lifestyle, and it's easier to do it because everything is so accessible right here.
One of the unique features is that we do have bunk beds. Because of the bunk beds and the loft, you're able to actually sleep 6 people in this model. And across from the bunk beds, we do have the bathroom. This bathroom is very functional. It has a big shower along with a lot of storage. Back of the house, we have the bedroom, which a queen size bed fits. And we also have the barn doors, and it has plenty of storage for your clothing. And this bedroom also has double doors that actually lead you to your back porch. So this model is very unique because it does have a front and a back porch as well. There's one more model that we're gonna actually show you. But before that, we're actually gonna go out through the community and see the amenities. This is a farmhouse, and this farmhouse is actually used for the residents here at Village Farm. Some people use it to actually do potlucks, movie nights. Some of the residents work remotely. It has a kitchen, it has dining areas, it has a balcony, wrapped around porch. In addition to the farmhouse, the community also has 2 doggy parks. It has trails that you can actually walk through. It does have common areas, which they have fireplace, a grilling area, and hammocks throughout the community. They even have raised beds throughout the community as well. We also have the barn, which they have farm stands every Saturday from 9 to 12, and yoga as well. People can also rent the farmhouse for events, for dinners, for birthday parties, anything like that.
I also didn't know I would use the farmhouse as much as I have. I've reserved it a few times. I had a birthday party for my mom there. I have work friends coming over for a thing in a few weeks, and I'm reserving it. So that has been an unexpected, really nice bonus of if you have more people than can fit in your house, living in a community that has something like that, that's like wonderful.
This is a Sedona model. It's 399 square feet. Here in the living room, you're gonna find it has a lot of windows that gives you a lot of sunlight throughout the tiny home. So on this model, you would actually have plenty of space to have, people stay over, come and hang out. It's very spacious. In the kitchen area, we do have higher countertops, and they're the quartz countertops that we actually have. We also have the residential appliances here as well. The only small appliance that we have is the mini dishwasher that actually comes with the tiny home. And here we have the stairs. The stairs not as steep as the Seabreeze model. And we also have a bed up here in the loft. It's a queen size bed. This is a stackable washer and dryer, and they're full load. And we also have the bedroom here as well, and it does have plenty of storage and closet space. The Sedona model has a smaller bedroom compared to the Seabreeze model, but it does still fit a queen size bed. And it does give you plenty of space as well, still to kind of get off the bed and actually walk. On this model, we have 3 mini splits. We have one in the bedroom, one in the loft, and we have one in the front in the kitchen. So here in the bathroom, we do have a shower. We have plenty of storage. We have the quartz sink as well. We have plenty of storage for your towels, and it feels very spacious.
Our lot rent here is $750. I don't pay property taxes, so the $750 goes towards that. I'm not paying additional. It also includes a lot of things, like it's my maintenance for lawn care. I have access to the organic farm. We have a farmer's market every week. I have access to Reserve, the historic farmhouse that has a huge kitchen. There's a swimming pool, there's a gym, there's security. So there are a lot of things included in that $750. It's not just the land.
Unfortunately, you're not able to bring your own tiny home here. Clayton Homes and Platinum Cottages. Those are the two builders that we actually work with. So it ranges from $166,000 all the way down to $137,000, and we do in-house financing as well.
The position that we're at here at Village Farm, we are 15 minutes from downtown, but when you're here, you do feel like you're somewhat in the country. So I take care of the ducks. We've got geese and ducks, and we can volunteer and help take care of them. It really makes you feel like your pace is a lot slower. Even though our houses are close together, you feel like you got lots of open space by being at the farm and having that whole area that you can have to walk around in. But the sunsets here, we have a community chat going on and we get excited about stuff like that. I love to hang out with my community that I met here. So we kind of help coordinate things and ask some of the residents what things they like to do, and they like to get together in groups and hang out. So we have things like art class, getting together, painting rocks. We have silent disco, so we got headphones and walk around and do exercise together. We've got new moon yoga.
It's like literally the best place that I have ever lived. The neighbors, everything about it is wonderful.
Thanks for stopping by Tiny House Expedition. I'm Alexis.
And I'm Christian, and this is our DIY tiny house on our homestead in Oregon.
Looking for more tiny inspiration? Watch these videos. But if you're looking for something specific, visit our channel homepage to browse tiny homes by category.
And don't forget to subscribe.
Hope to see you soon. Remember to download Cookie Jam for free by clicking the link in the description or scanning the QR code on the screen.